And welcome back on my channel, guys. I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. As in last tutorial, what we learned is that how we can perform the voice chatting using the Pun2 on multiplayer games. So in today's tutorial, we are just going to do much more thing, like if we have players, we want that whenever our player will be speak, so there will be a image, that there will be a mic, and remotely when our player will be visible, so people will be able to see that how our player is speaking or not. Here is our player. So what we are going to do is that locally we want to attach a mic where our user will be speak, and remotely what we will do is that we will attach a speaker so that other player will able to see that our player is speaking or not. We have to do, we have to go in the prefab and just have to download two prefab. So just and paste here. Okay, now we have two prefab, and first one will be inside the your character. So what will be there? So there will be our avatar UI. So just put there a speaker when our player will be speak, so that will be highlight on remotely. And what we will do for locally, so we will have mic. So where will be our mic? So there is voice debug UI. So just drop in player prefab and you will see that there is a mic. So it will be shows that we are connected or not. There is a state text, like here you can see it will show that we are connected or not, and that image, that is the mic, and it will show when we will speak, that is the mic image. Drop this inside remote one, and this one drop locally. Okay, so this thing will be performed locally and that will be remotely. So just copy from here and paste. So these are the two scripts. Let's open it. We are using highlight voice for remote player. So for this we are using mic image, speaker image, and Photon Voice image. Photon Voice, very basic scripts. In highlight you can see that we are using the Photon Voice recording and is speaking. We are using the callbacks, state change, and whenever we are getting the state, so this method we are calling that UI based, and what it's doing is that it's just updating the voice state text, and when we are able to join the player, before joining the player it's showing the status of player, and after the joining it's just offing the text. So on voice debug UI, so there will be a white text. So just drop here star UI, just drop highlight voice. So there will be a Photon Voice, mic image, so image, mic, and speaker. So there will be a speaker. So just what you can do is just override player preview instance contains invalid script, apply is not possible. Okay, just unpack the prefab, and now it's showing that we can override. So now we have override the prefab and just delete here. So what we did here is that we provide two UI, that is one for remote player, okay, and for one for local player, so that we can know that we are speaking, and there is one for speaking and one for mic. Okay, so this will be locally and this will be remotely. Okay, with my phone and one player from locally. So you can see when I am speaking, hello. So you can see there is a speaker performing whenever I was speaking. Hi. Okay, so this thing is happening, and The main purpose of is that we know that we are speaking, we know that when we are remotely speaking and when we are locally speaking. Okay, so hope you learn something, and thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in next video.